Do you feel like you don't speak enough Danish? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Danish. Hey everybody, my name is Jonas. Welcome to the 800 Core Danish Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Danish. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you learn the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at danishclass101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Danish. Okay, let's get started. First is goddag. Hello. Goddag. God dag. Hello. Goddag. Hvordan har du det? Hello. How are you? God dag. Hvordan har du det? Undskyld mig. Excuse me. Undskyld mig. Undskyld mig. Excuse me. Undskyld mig, har du set min hund? Excuse me, have you seen my dog? Undskyld mig, har du set min hund? Undskyld. I'm sorry. Undskyld. Undskyld. I'm sorry. Undskyld, jeg løj. I'm sorry, I lied. Undskyld, jeg løj. Godnat. Good night. Godnat. God nat. Good night. Jeg går nu. Godnat. I'll go now. Good night. Jeg går nu. God nat. Rart at møde dig. Nice to meet you. Rart at møde dig. Rart at møde dig. Nice to meet you. Det er rart at møde dig. It's nice to meet you. Det er rart at møde dig. Hvordan har du det? How are you? Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? How are you? Goddag. Hvordan har du det? Hello. How are you? Goddag. Hvordan har du det? Ja. Yes. Ja. Ja. Yes. Ja, det er sandt. Yes, it's true. Ja, det er sandt. Nej. No. Nej. Nej. No. Nej tak. No thanks. Nej tak. Tak. Thank you. Tak. Tak. Thank you. Mange tak. Thanks a lot. Mange tak. Jeg hedder I'm. Jeg hedder. Jeg hedder. I'm. Jeg hedder Peter. I'm Peter. Jeg hedder Peter. Farvel. Goodbye. Farvel. Farvel. Goodbye. Farvel, min ven. Goodbye, my friend. Farvel, min ven. Slim. Bad. Slim. Slim. Bad. Manden er slem. The man is bad. Manden er slem. God. Good. God. God. Good. Grøntsager er gode for dig. Vegetables are good for you. Grøntsager er gode for dig. Pæn. Pretty. Pæn. Pæn. Pretty. Du er meget pæn. You're very pretty. Du er meget pæn. Grim. Ugly. Grim. Grim. Ugly. Den grimme ælling blev til en smuk svane. The ugly duckling became a beautiful swan. Den grimme ælling blev til en smuk svane. Let's. Easy. Let's. Let. Easy. Dette problem er let. This problem is easy. Dette problem er let. Svær. Difficult. Svær. Svær. Difficult. Engelsk er svært. English is difficult. Engelsk er svært. Tæt. Nær. Tæt. Tæt. Nær. Jeg bor tæt på universitetet. I live near the university. Jeg bor tæt på universitetet. Langt. Far. Langt. Langt. Far. Stationen er langt herfra. The station is far from here. Stationen er langt herfra. Lille. Small. Lille. Lille. Small. Bilen er lille, men meget kraftfuld. The car is small, but it's very powerful. Bilen er lille, men meget kraftfuld. Well done. In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at danishclass101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time. Farvel!
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the Word Bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.